No doubt, most people are aware of the nutritional importance of eating the well-known banana fruit as it is rich in nutrients beneficial to the body. They contain potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium and antioxidants. The vitamins, B6, B12, carbohydrates, sugars, and make it one of the most important energy sources for the body and for feeding anemia patients. Anemia, it is also described for those suffering from general malaise. Some people are unaware of the important information that the banana peels that we throw away often give us health benefits. Distinctive that may outweigh banana peel pulp. Medical research has recently proven that banana peels contain beneficial nutrients with important health uses, which we review below. Benefits of banana peel. Rich in potassium and fiber, some banana peels are soluble and some are insoluble, making them one to eat. It facilitates bowel movement, activates the digestive system and is useful for relieving constipation problems. Banana peel helps lower harmful cholesterol in the blood, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Banana peel contains tryptophan, which increases the secretion of serotonin. It affects mood and treats depression and releases the hormone of happiness and makes you feel comfortable. Contains lutein, one of the effective antioxidants to protect eyes against free radicals. In addition to rubbing the eye, it has been stated to benefit many eye diseases such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Banana peel helps protect from the sun's UV rays. Rubbing the face with a banana peel is very beneficial for skin health, as it moisturizes the skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and signs of aging. It also reduces skin itching and relieves skin irritation, as it is useful in the treatment and cleansing of psoriasis. In addition to its antibacterial properties, it soothes insect and mosquito bites and prevents the feeling of pain. It treats blemishes and acne on the face. Banana peel is also used for polishing shoes and leather garments. If applied directly to them, it is helpful in reducing the appearance of bruises, blue marks on the skin. Banana peel is used to soothe painful areas and applied to the injury site for a while, as it numbs and reduces pain. It is useful for pests, cockroaches, fertilizing plants and preventing small insects and butterflies from multiplying in food products. Since the enzymes in it help to remove the thorn easily and painlessly, it helps to remove the thorns that may stick to the skin by wrapping the area with a small crust. Massaging the neck area with banana peels relieves headaches and helps to relax. Banana peel relieves chest pain and helps to relax. Before going to bed at night, you can rub the banana peel on your teeth and then you will see that your teeth will naturally whiten. I wish you healthy days. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.